hanggang sa dulo ng mundo, hanggang maubos ang ubo, hanggang lumulong ang luha, hanggang mahulog ang tala. Masdan mo aking mata, di mo ba nakikita? Ako ngayon ay lumilipad at nasa langit na. Gusto mo ba sumama?
So boring. Let me call my friends. Hey guys! I just read about this amazing book that supposedly has all the secrets to the earthquake awareness. How about we plan a trip and to find it?
Are you serious? A book that's going to teach us about earthquakes? I hope it's not written in Shakespearean language.
Haha, good one. But seriously, do we have to travel to find a book? Can we just Google it or something?
Where's the fun in that? We need an adventure. Plus, this book is said to be hidden. It'll be like a treasure hunt.
Well, as long as we don't have to dig in through piles of rubble to find it. Count me in. I'm all for a treasure hunt, especially if the treasure is earthquake knowledge.
Alright, I'm in too. But can we at least bring some earthquake survival kits along? Just in case we stumble upon a real-life tremor while searching for this book?
Great idea! We'll be the most prepared treasure hunters ever. We'll have backpacks full of water, snacks, flashlights, and we'll be ready for anything.
And don't forget the earthquake theme playlist. We'll need some catchy tunes to keep our spirits up during the journey. How about Shake It Off by Taylor Swift?
Absolutely! We'll be jamming to earthquake theme songs while learning about earthquakes from a mysterious book. This might be just the most unique trip ever!
Alright, let's get this adventure started. We'll be the earthquake awareness explorers on a mission to find the hidden book to become the ultimate earthquake experts.
I can already see the headlines. Group of friends embarks on hilarious case of earthquake enlightenment. We'll be famous.
Well, fame or not, at least we'll have an unforgettable experience and learn something valuable along the way. Let's go, Earthquake Explorers!
Let the earthquake awareness adventure begin!
Hold on tight, everyone. It's going to be a wild adventure.
Let
the adventure
begin!
Hanggang maubos ang ubo, hanggang lumulong ang luha, hanggang mahulog ang tala. Masdan mo aking mata, di mo ba nakikita? Ako ngayon ay lumilipad at nasa langit na. Gusto mo ba sumama? Di mo na kailangan ng magtago't mahiya. Di mo na kailangan ng humanap ng iba. Kalimutan lang muna ang lahat ng problema. Huminga ka ng malalim at tayo'y lalarga na. Handa ka na ba gumala?
I think the book is here, guys. Let's find it!
Let's go!
I found the book! Guys, it's here!
Where is it?
It's here!
Ang daming bawal sa mundo,
Ang daming bawal sa mundo,
sinasakal nila tayo.
sinasakal nila tayo.
Buksan ang puso at isipan.
Sa puso at isip. mama.
Di mo na kailangan ng magtago't mahiya. Di mo na kailangan ng manap ng iba.
Please, sit down properly.
What happened to you, bro?
John, turn on the TV.
Force 7.0 earthquake has struck the Philippines island. Damage have been reported in some areas, and the hospitals have been badly
kids,
damaged.
listen to the news.
The Philippines Interior Minister
Mother, listen to the
said 4
news.
people have been killed and 60 injured. The quake was shallow, just 10 kilometers, and aftershocks of pictures, you can see people running from this bell tower 36 kilometers from the epicenter of the earthquake. President Marcos has ordered relief teams to the area and said that he will also travel there himself. For John Michael, New Desk correspondent.
OMG, the earthquake is so strong, brother!
That's right. That will happen if we are not prepared enough.
That's why we should prepare at all times.
Huwag kang matakot. Di mo ba alam nandito lang ako sa iyong tabi? Di kita pababayaan kailanman. Kanina pa kitang pinagmamasdan. Mukha mo'y di maipinta. Malungkot ka na naman. Kanina pa kitang inaalok ng kwentuhang masaya para sa'yo'y baliwala. Sandali na, teka lang, may nakalimutan ka. Ba't pwede mo kong iyakan? Sige lang, sandal ka na, at huwag mong pipigilan. Iiyak mo na ang lahat sa langit. Iiyak mo lang ang lahat sa akin. Sige lang, sandal ka na, at huwag mong pipigilan. Iiyak mo na ang lahat sa langit. Iiyak mo lang ang lahat sa akin.
There's an earthquake!
Black cover, no! Follow me. So messy.
You need to fix this.
Help me, kid.
Watch out, sister! There's a wire!
Thank God you're safe.
Good, we survived. It's all good. 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 All good? Yes.